Uphold offers one of the most versatile cashback rewards programs in the digital finance space, providing users with a seamless way to earn while spending. The cashback system is built directly into the Uphold app, allowing users to maximize returns on everyday transactions without any complicated steps. When you use your Uphold card for purchases, a percentage of every transaction is returned directly to your account. This percentage varies depending on the merchant and type of purchase, but can go up to 3% in certain categories. The strength of Uphold's cashback rewards lies in its flexibility. Users can receive cashback in multiple currencies, including US dollars, cryptocurrencies, and even precious metals. This means that the rewards you earn are not only valuable but also versatile, giving you the power to either spend them, trade them, or invest them further. For instance, if you spend $500 on groceries or online shopping through your Uphold card, you could earn between $5 and $15 back instantly, depending on the merchant category. Over time, these rewards accumulate, making everyday spending an effective way to generate passive returns. Another advantage is the simplicity of redemption. There is no waiting period or complex points system. Cashback is credited directly to your account, and you can use it immediately for other transactions, withdraw to your bank, or convert into other assets supported on Uphold. The app also provides detailed tracking of your cashback earnings, showing exactly how much you've earned per transaction and the total rewards accumulated. For frequent spenders, the best Uphold cashback rewards come from combining strategic spending with high reward categories, ensuring that every dollar spent contributes to growth. Uphold's integration of digital assets and multiple currencies makes its cashback program not just a reward system, but a financial tool, enabling users to earn, save, and invest simultaneously while using one platform.